found a bunch of videos for drones. Now, I'm a photographer, and maybe a drone would interest me for photography. But then I got thinking about it. What am I going to take a picture of with a drone that would be interesting? I can't think of anything that would be interesting. So then it got me thinking of, well, if I bought a drone, what would I use it for? Well, you can play with it like a child plays with a toy, and then you get bored with it and you put it away. And why do you put it away? Because you can't find any use for the drone other than the toy factor. And then that wears off quickly. Unfortunately, the only real use you can find for a drone is to spy on your neighbors.